Sabi nga ni Popoy, kaya tayo iniwan, darating na mas maganda. Perfect talaga. Mas kinikilig ka dyan. Ikaw ba magbibigay sa kanya?
Parang regalo na rin namin sa isa't isa.
So, 1,808,000. Is there a counter offer?
Siyempre dahil late ka, tatawag ka.
Aray mo. Wait lang, tumataas na ang gold ha. Gold yan mo yan ha.
What's up guys? Naipit ako! Another watch, another day! Oh, tayo ngayon, sa Green Hills tayo ngayon.
Ikaw ba? Hindi, ito eh.
Okay. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Bilisan natin. We have a client, husband and wife. They're trying to get their first ever Rolexes. Hello po! Hi sir.
Hi.
How are
Good
you?
afternoon.
Kamusta? Good afternoon. Okay, so you're here for your very first Rolex. Tama ba?
Oo, first na.
Wow! So how long have you guys been together?
Kaka-8 lang namin, kaya gift.
8 years anniversary.
Yes.
Any kids?
No, wala pa.
Wala pa?
Na-busy sa business.
Sipagan nyo. Here we have 2 watches. What do you guys do for a living?
Restaurateur kami.
Restaurateur. So you guys have restaurants?
Yes.
Kono. Oh! Walk
pala yun.
Ayan.
out.
Okay pa.
Yes, may dala.
Saan to? Saan yung mga branches yun?
We have in Antipolo, Cainta.
Ito. Antipolo, Caintadas, Marinas, Cavite, Farmers Market, Taytay. San Fernando, Pampanga. Oh, ang dami na rin. So 6 branches na.
Going 7.
Ah, where's the 7th?
Marikina. Humble beginnings kami na mga
From
staff
scratch?
Kami. Yes, staff kami.
Very
Pandemic.
inspiring. Pandemic lang nag-start.
Yes.
Wow! Alam mo ba, a lot of people have been telling me that food industry hasn't even recovered yet since pandemic eh. Kasi sobrang lakas nung impact. Even for me, I had a cafe. However, it did not work during pandemic. I had to close it down. But I was able to revive it as Dandil Coffee na siya. Sometimes kasi talaga, lulubog tayo. We think it's not a blessing. Tatanggalan tayo ng negosyo. Yung pala kasi mas
Different
maganda. Sabi nga ni Popoy, kaya tayo iniwan, darating na mas maganda. Ayos ba? So, you guys, 2 watches. One is the 41mm. This is a Datejust, 2-tone 41mm reference, 1263333. Would you like to try? Mahilig ka sa gold, boss eh. Nakita ko pare, mahilig ka sa gold. For ma'am naman, we have here a 2-tone din na Datejust. This is an anniversary dial. This is a 31mm 2-tone rose gold with diamonds, of course, on the markers. Same naman din nung kay sir. Would you like to try as well? Yon! Perfect. Di ba? Perfect talaga. Mas kinikilig ka dyan?
Hindi na siya kinikilig sa akin.
Ikaw ba magbibigay sa kanya?
Parang regalo na rin namin sa isa't isa.
Okay, sige. Regalo mo yun sa akin, tapos ikaw regalo rin. Are you guys happy with that?
Yes.
Yes, sobra.
Sure? Let's talk about the prices, yes? 949 plus 859. That's 1,808,000. What do you think?
Siyempre dahil late ka, tatawag kami.
Aray mo. Oo nga eh. Actually, hindi ako na-late. Did you know that kanina, galing ako kay Doc Sheena. That was 3 p.m. Minadali ko pa si na Doc Sheena kasi sabi ko, I have a 4 p.m. meeting with a client. I need to be at BGC. Yung pala dito. Pagdating ko doon 3:30, sabi ko, medyo maaga pa ako. So, chill-chill muna ako. Pagdating ng 4, sabi ko, imposible. Wala pa yung videographer ko. I looked at our company chat. Remind sa akin si Ate Sara, which is my EA, don't forget your vlog po sa GH 4 p.m.
Oo.
Alam mo kung anong ano ko? Yup, on the way na po. On the way, that was 2:58 p.m. Sinabi ko on the way. Kung saan ako on the way, papunta akong BGC. Hindi ko man lang as in lutang.
Nag-TV na sila, madam, na 100.
Okay, nag-DP na sila for the reservation.
Yes.
Mabilis kasi ngayon. Sa totoo lang, especially sa CSR namin, kasi ang dami nag-chat sa Once nag-chat kasi sa page namin, they like to watch, kasi meron kaming website, they can check out the watch sa website, mag-chat na sila sa CSR or pupunta sila agad sila dito. They just, down payment is 50K, reserved na yung watch. So tatanggalin na yun sa website. So talagang, pag hindi kayo nag-reserve dyan, for sure, ibang magre-reserve dyan eh. Parang ganun eh. So, 1,808,000. Is there a counter offer?
Kasi parang 1.760.
1,760.
Thank you.
Okay, Dandy.
Wait lang. That's 40,000 to 24,000 each. Wait lang, tumataas na ang gold ha. Gold yan mga yan ha. 1,775.
760 na.
775.
760.
70.
1.760. 60 mo na.
Sige na nga, late ako. Thank you. And you get, of course, 10,000 gift certificate kay Doc Sheena. Pa-pamper kayong dalawa. Pa-pamper kayong dalawa, ha, ganito dito. Ako, kakapunta ko lang doon, ginamit ko yung akin eh. And of course, you guys get your Nandun hoodies. Congratulations.
Thank
Each.
you.
So medium sa'yo, ma'am. Large sa'yo. I assume.
Hindi, baliktad.
Baliktad. Mas gusto mo na ano. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.